welcome everybody back to Motor Addicts. It's me and Stu here. Nick is behind camera today. We've got a little story. It's a Wednesday. We're hoping for a bit of sun, but we don't have that today. So what we do have...
Moist.
Yeah, moist. We have two cars that we bought from the auction. It's a local auction house. I needed some Toyota Priuses. This was the first purchase that I've got. So this is a Prius that I'm going to use that I rent out as a taxi. Toyota Prius with the hybrids and all the rest of it. It's what we've got to have for the... being green and the rest of it, but it's a bit of a gamble buying stuff from the auction. So you can get a gem really cheaply, or you might get bitten on the backside, isn't that right, Stuart?
That is right. And obviously, what I had done this time, I've bought a car to sell it. I'm not going to disclose the price, but who got the better end of the deal? I don't know.
Well,
I think
I
think I know.
Yeah, we'll go into that. So the point of today's video is to work out, there are a lot of options to buying a car, and going to the auction can sometimes be a really, really good reason and a really good way of buying a car cheaply that might be good. But it is a gamble, and it's a roll of the dice because you don't know what you're always going to get. So let's go into it.
Right, so we have now come, we're going to show you, actually, first of all, Owen's new motor. Great ideas, hybrids, very, very green, if you like that sort of thing. And it's a good thing that the taxis are going to it. But you bought a dog, Owen.
Oh, mate, tell me about it. Right, so the whole coronavirus outbreak has brought its own problems, particularly with buying cars. Buying cars when you're supposed to buy them from the auction means that you can't go there to look at it. So what you've actually got to do is buy it blind, assuming that because of the way it looks, maybe the rest of it's okay as well, but that's not the case with this. Actually, I purchased this car. It got delivered last week. I tried to start it up. I'll just highlight that.
It started.
Let's have a listen. I'll show you exactly what it turns out like.
Tell us what you think.
Right. Toyota Hybrid should be a quiet petrol car. Okay.
Wait for this. Are you going to go? He's bought a winner, ladies and gentlemen.
Anyway, that's enough of that. I'll shut it off because I can't actually bear to listen to the noise. Every time I hear it running, I think that's money that's being spent, and I can't. I'm going to get out. I can't. It hurts me being in there. I've got to get out. Stu, what have you bought?
I'll
just twist the knife a little bit more, why not?
It's actually all right.
I know.
500 and something pounds, which I wasn't going to say a price, but I just have. And let's give you a guess of this. It's quarter of the price of what that Prius was. And I bought myself a 1.6 TFSI Mark V Golf, and it's actually alright. It's done quite a few miles. There's a few little marks in the car, probably the worst being the back bumper, but it's actually not bad.
Mate, it's 500 quid.
And to be fair, yeah, the mileage is high, but it's alright, and someone's tried modifying it. They tried making it to Owen's taste, or actually more Nick's because he's a bit more fluffy. But
it's not bad though.
It's
got some suspension on it and some tinted windows.
It's
not overly done, is it?
The only thing I noticed when it came was that obviously it's high mileage. I knew it was high mileage, but these are good for high mileage.
Yeah.
They go forever. Also, one for the family at home. You can put your kids in it.
Take the kids to school.
You can take the kids to school.
Yeah, to the shops.
Yeah, you can drive around town.
Yeah.
One of Owen's previous sayings, you may even get a Snapchat of the amount of times he does that. But it's actually alright. I can't open the door because there are a few things. The battery doesn't work. Nick shut it off after we jump started it.
Why is it?
Well, when cars are left to sit for a little while.
Did you see my car hasn't got any flat tyres?
You wanted me to explain the situation with the tyre.
Oh, okay, yeah.
When cars sit for a little while, sometimes they let go of a bit of air.
Right, so what's the yellow writing about?
Well, the guy obviously really liked the brand of tyre, so he wanted to
highlight
the tyre
size. Right,
yeah.
okay, no, that's cool, I get
but
that.
yeah, no, the car's been sitting here 3 days, so you'd expect a tyre to go
3
down.
3 days? What, you mean you don't take the kids to the shops or school for 3 days?
Every car...
Tell me something else. What else have we got? How powerful is it? Is it super powerful?
Well,
oh wait, it doesn't start.
No, it doesn't start, but I've moved it, and it seemed pretty alright, to be fair. I would put it up there with my Megane, maybe.
What, in terms of shitness?
Right, but I tell you what, it's got a wiper delete on the back as well.
Is that supposed to be there?
I modified it.
Oh, you mean you broke it?
So with this,
that?
Well, no, that's my wiper. That's my wiper delete. So basically, it turned up without a window wiper, and I thought, well, the guy who's already started, he started stripping it for a track or something, and he's obviously to save weight, took the window wiper out, and then. To be honest, I've gone on eBay. I've ordered a delete. It should be with you tomorrow. Just pop it upstairs.
So is that just like a rubber plug that goes in there?
No, it goes to the other side, and you put a bit of glue on it, and it looks like the glass. So it just.
So I don't get this about modifying cars, right? So you don't want to see out your back window. What? I don't. Where's the practicality? Maybe I'm just getting old. I don't know. I noticed also the badge. It isn't a badge anymore.
To be fair, he wanted it to be smooth.
Well, it's not smooth though, is it? Because you can still kind of feel the bump.
Well,
it doesn't open obviously because it doesn't work. Clever idea though, Volkswagen. I like that. That's
yeah,
good.
but it's
Better if it worked.
to be honest, there's something else to go wrong. To be fair, where's my bung gone?
If your country's in a lockdown, and or there is a reason you can't go and look at a car, and you still fancy buying a car from the auction without going to see it, I would say like don't, and that's kind of it. Go and see it first. There are some gems out there. As far as I'm concerned, if I buy anything from the auction again, I'm not listening to him. I'm going to go and look at it my damn self. And that is it till next time.